Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Exceptionally, Connor Ryan killed it in the writing task. God, that's good. That's an LY sentence. I try to get as much as possible from the write that essay program. When we first went in, it was just on some afternoon, and I was expecting them to be like not that good because the ones we had prior were so boring. And I went in, and originally it just got me to like write a paragraph, and I wrote it. And then the best guys in our grade would stand up like confidently and be like, "Here's my paragraph." And then he said like, why was the main thing I remember from that. And like I realized my paragraph I wrote and everyone else's like intro paragraph that they wrote just had like no purpose. They just wrote it because they thought it sounded good without it, like any reason to be writing it. And before I started with Dr. Hunter, I would never write a short sentence because I thought it like looked really bad and looked like that I wasn't smart enough to write a longer sentence, so I'd write a small one. But now I'm just a lot more confident to write a small one and realise it sounds so much better. But I think everyone's a great writer. And to have a good piece of writing, you don't need to have an amazing vocabulary.
I've always been pretty confident as a writer, and I'd always sort of written just what I thought sounded good. And then Dr. Hunter came in and he taught us lots of different sentence structures. The sentence structures was something that I'd never really taken into account. I never actually like mentally thought about it. It was just something that I just, what happened naturally. After understanding that there are 12 or probably more different ways of structuring a sentence, some are better in different situations, I was able to like choose which was best, and when editing my own writing I was like, oh, I can swap this sentence for something better. And even when I was reading a book at home, I was like, I never even heard of an M- sentence, and then I read one and I was like, oh, they're everywhere. I was like, how have I not noticed this before? Before I wasn't very self-reflective about my writing, but now I am much more aware.